Hello everyone and welcome to a new video from Mark George. Today I'm going to introduce you the next 5 Chrome flags options in this video. Keep up. So in this video, I'll start with the show overgrow feedback. Visualize overgrow by calling coding elements based on if they have other elements drawn underneath. So just in Word, Microsoft Word, you'll have these make front and make back. So if you have text and you want to make it in front of a picture, for example, so here it's just drawn and will be colored, so you will know that there's something behind it, and it says as always Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS and Android. So it just makes you feel it's another form of the layers one, the one that we did from here, from the first 5, this one. So just you learn it. If you're learning layers and these things, then you just need it on. But it will be tricky to know which one is in front of which one, because if you don't know the code, then you will not know how to do it. We have the enable drawing occlusion. So enable the system to use draw occlusion to skip draw quads when they are not shown on screen. So what happens here? So it enables the system to use the draw occlusion to skip draw quads when they're not shown on your screen. So if the quads are not on your screen, so it uses the occlusion from the power of the Google Chrome. And if you have the first one here, accelerated 2D canvas, if you have the override software rendering list enabled, then it take from the GPU, but if you don't, it will take from the Chrome power. So now you will have it to make what's not on your screen skip for you not to see it if you disable it or something. So by default you have it. Then we have the WebRTC remote bound event logging. So that's one is really helpful. Allow recollecting WebRTC event logs and uploading them to Crash. Please note that if enabled, this will still require a policy to be set for it to have an effect. Mac, Windows, Linux, and the regular Chrome OS. So explanation here. What happens? So what it says is that allow the collecting of the WebRTC logs and uploading them if crashed. So you guys know if crash, sure, in any device, like so your PC, you're playing a game and this game crashes, so it ends. And it may happen on your PlayStation if you're playing a game instead of the game and you're about to win. If you just wait 2 seconds and the game crashes and you just go but there's not a problem here. So crash, as we know, will after you crash, the data of the login will be saved, and when you open will be put in the same site instead of logging in again. So you just need to have the policy to be set for it to have an effect. So you should have it done if your Chrome is older version, which will crash a lot, or if your PC or laptop is just really a low version. But they fixed all of the possible cracks in the regular Chrome version, but it may have 1 or 2 cracks a month or something. Then we have the negotiation with GCM cipher suits for SRTP and WebRTC. So when enabled, WebRTC will try to negotiate GCM cipher suits for SRTP. So what happens here? As we said, WebRTC will try to negotiate the GCM cipher that suits for your STRP. So it is requiring a bit of the Ruby language and some of the C++, I believe. But you will have, after enabling it, not a faster Chrome, but not a slow Chrome, and it will make your strp suited by the web and in WebRTC. So we will here zoom out to see how many did we explain today. So we first have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, we finished. Yeah. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you like this, and if you did so, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my future videos. Also, don't forget to tell me what tutorial you want next time so I can make it to you. Quick note, I've made a hobbies channel and I've been announcing for it for 15,000 videos, and no one from my current channel subscribers went and subscribed there. So if you're interested in music or something, I'm a professional piano player and I'm organizing a just really big piano song. Will be live there, the first part, today, tomorrow, after tomorrow, just this week, and hope you that you'll like it, and see you guys in the next video.